Hi everyone, this is Bryn. The new GoPro Hero 3 Plus camera comes with a completely redesigned housing, including a new latch. I've been asked, is it easier to open? Well, my initial impression of the 3 Plus housing was that it was hard to open. Now that was because I was trying to open it with my fingernails and I just about ripped a nail off. Then I worked out that the correct way to open the latch was by applying a little pressure with the pads of your fingertips, much like the part that you would use when playing a chord on a guitar. Apply pressure, then lift up. Very easy. The original Hero 1 and 2 housing was also easy to open. In fact, it was too easy, and this led to some unintentional openings, and therefore a new latch was required. The Hero 3 housing was way more secure with this central locking pin. But to be honest, it was quite fiddly. I often have to use 2 hands to open it. So the 3 Plus latch is a big improvement. It's both secure and easy to open. If you have any more quick questions regarding anything to do with GoPro Hero cameras or accessories, please ask them via the Brynmag Productions Facebook page, and I'll do my best to answer them in a video. This is Bryn. Thanks for watching.